Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope my all lovely friends fine and good. May Allah bless you and keep smiling. Always be happy in your life. First of all, thank you for supporting me and welcome my YouTube channel. I want to share crochet article design and I hope you like this video. This video I am sharing crochet top design. So viewers, don't skip the video, watch the video start to end. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon button. You know guys, some people have different choice. Some people have bright colors and like light colors. In this video you see all colors in the top. All of this design look great, so find your favorite pattern now. The crochet lovers are always searching for cute and unique ideas and plan together. This is cute crochet top pattern as a gift for your friend on her birthday and party functions. This is a pattern for a beautifully designed and amazing collection for you. If you want more ideas and more crochet patterns, thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope this video very amazing and helpful for you. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon button. You will see new and latest update. So friends, share this video to your friend and family members. Be connected with me and remember, me in your prayer. We will meet you in next video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.